All right, so today is day 3 of 365 days of play. We are driving back from the Arches to go home. So we stopped here in Price, Utah. Right there, Carbon County. And we are going to go play inside of the prehistoric museum. They've got a lot of dinosaur stuff, ancient Indian stuff, spears, arrows, fossils. So we're gonna go inside, check it out, and execute on day 3 of 365 days of play. Look at this guy with the spear. This is a bear? Oh yeah. That's a big bear.
Really big. Big, 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 big. Big, 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 big.
Using these spears to try and kill that for food. Yeah.
For the whole village.
Seriously. And then if you got hurt. Messages from the past. Let me read this. It says, what rock art tells us? These are replicas of actual pecked rock arts made by Fremont Indians. What messages are they trying to tell you? Archaeologists are not sure, but certain patterns appear, and these might provide clues. What patterns do you notice? What messages are they telling? So the upper left, right here, is a warrior panel replica.
And 2 normal ones.
Lower center, there is Great Hunt panel. Okay, maybe that's the hunt panel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They show you how they used to live. This is how they used to live. Look.
Yeah, she's making something right here. Grains, like you said. Look how cool those little houses are with the ladders. Oh wow, look. You can see it from up here. He could hit us with his horn even if we were on the second floor. This is the bow and arrow section. All right. Look at that armor. Huge. Look at your foot compared to their foot, buddy. Look how big these bones are. Look how big those rib cages are.
Look at this. The Stegosaurus throat armor. These marble-shaped bones grew in the skin to protect the throat from predators.
Whoa.
Look at these things right here.
Oh yeah, look right there. So those right there is armor that protected the throat from predators. And you can see a fossil-like imprint right there. And that's what the Stegosaurus looks like.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome? Look.
But he's looking at
Look, you see this? This one has like teeth. No, that's how they preserve it to bring it here to the museum. Look.
Wow. That's
Let's see,
cool.
what are they doing?
This is,
Oh, this is live in the prep lab. A Torosaurus. Oh, that's what he's working on.
yeah, that's cool. Look at that little guy right there. Our dog's bigger,
Vicious.
but that's more vicious probably. Here we go. This guy is huge.
47 feet and a half.
47 feet. 47 feet and a half. Look how long he is. Starts there. Comes here. And then goes all the way over there. Okay. Okay, so we just got done with the Dinosaur Museum. Got a couple of souvenirs to remember our trip here. And got some rocks.
rock collection.
And
That was slime.
got some dinosaur fossil stuff, slimy thingy.